Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log in to FastBridge student accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in auth.fastbridge.org and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this official page, go and enter your username on the left hand side of the screen. Now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on Request Password link right beneath the login button. After filling in your credential, click the login button, and once logged in, you'll be able to see your student dashboard. You can now easily access your individualized data, assessment tools, and other resources. That is how you can easily log into a FastBridge student online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.